Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. I am Shan Khan and you are watching Data Science Insights. Today I will teach you what are modules and how to create your own module. So first of all, what are modules? If you see the basic definition in Google, you will see that it is denoted by .py file extension. Yeah? And you can import the code which we have written in a module in another program also. There are built-in modules which have been made by the professional before, so it is available for us, like statistic module, math module, time module, and there are about 200 modules available. Suppose I import math module here. When I import, I can import math dot square root of 4. Square root of 4, you will see 2. In this way I can import the math module, this one, and I can do the calculation very easy. I can sine theta, like math dot sine and then 4. You will see sine 4 is this. Every time I am importing this math dot I want to import one time math and all the function available in this. So from math import star. Now the star is used, it means all which you have inside the functions available in this math module. Just to, so before we used math dot, now we don't need that. So I will use the value of what is used, the value of pi is this square root of 4. It will give me sqrt 4 and then sine 8. In this way I just call import one time and I can call anytime and I am able to use it, the math module here. How we will create and access our own module which have functions. Now let's do that. Here I will create a file, pythonic file with extension of py. I will write modules here, functions here. So I will define addition function ab, return a plus b. Then I will make multiplication ab, and then I will return a into b, then subtraction and then ab, and then I will a minus b. I have write three kind of functions here to and I will save it now. As I make this file khan1.py, so you will see here there will be khan1.py, it come. How I will now import it? So it's easy, import khan1, it's simple. Now I am now inside in my, I call my module. Yeah, I want to access the functions inside in it, so I will write khan1 dot and then here you see which functions I have created it, addition, and I will give just the value. Then I will do the multiplication. When you press dot tab, you will see this 4 6, the same as for subtraction. So I have created one module khan1 and I write here inside many functions. I can write a lot more. Suppose if after 1 year I need one function in my other program, I don't need to write this again. I will just give the value, like I will call the first one is the name of the module file, and the second, when you press dot and then all the functions available inside in the module you will see. Then I don't need to write the function again and again. I will just do in this way. It's easy. Yeah, this was about modules, and I can also read it, as you know how to read a file. I have teach you before. Yeah, open that, name of the file. What was the name? han1.py. Yeah, and then r read, f.read, and then we can read what is inside, which functions are inside. You can see it here. So this was how we make the modules and access it inside. Now I'll show you something. Suppose if I open a file which is even not exist in the computer, suppose, yeah, txt, it will give me a error, yeah, not in the directory. Now how I will solve this? I just don't want to see this kind of error, so I will use exception handling, and that is try. We use try in the start, and then here I will use except and pass. Now the code execute. Why? Because the file is even not existed. Because I say to the computer, try this one. If this file not exists in the computer, then handle it and ignore it. Pass mean ignore it, and the code will smoothly execute. Now here, if I put a is equal to 4 divided by 0, 4 divided by 0, and now there are built-in for arithmetic, you know, we use this error for this kind of multiplication or like this maths. Yeah, this is built-in. There are many built-in like this which is used for different things. This one is for arithmetic error. Yeah, this used for this one, and you don't need to this is made by other people already. Like this math is made by other people already. So I will write here arithmetic error, and then I will write here print code as error. You see, now this 4 is not divided by 0, so for this kind of function is made by someone, and I use it, so it will show me this. But now the proper way is to write as e, and here I will write here e in the end, so the other person can see that what actually happened. So it's a code has error division by 0, so 4 cannot be divided by 0, that's why it gives an error. Now if I give by 2 and I execute, because 4 can be divided by 2, so that's why it not show me anything. This is how we use the try and exception handling. So this is try, and this can handle this. If there is a problem, then here will be shown the things. Yeah, here I can write code success, if not success, else print not execute and have error. If now I change it here, you will see that it show me code success is because the first one is here, it executed it actually successfully. But if I write here, like suppose 3, it will show me error here, not executed and have error. So 3 divided by 4, it can be actually divided by 3, will be in some point or something. But I can write here suppose result will be in decimal. You see, this is success, but else the result will be in decimal. This is how we actually use try and exception handling, yeah, in this way. And also IO, if you see here, there is also one other IO error. This error is used for if you have some syntax of string or something, yeah, input output like this. So this was a little bit today. I have shown you how to use this, and you don't need to worry. I am saying you again that when we start machine learning, so you don't need this much effort with this. That is actually total different things. So till that time, have a good day and take care. Bye. Thank you.